because opponent team's gonna play against us like 200% because everybody wants to beat the champion. Okay, my name is Bernardo Tavares. I am come from Portugal. I have 42 years old. I arrived on Makassar on first week of May 2022. Yeah, I feel good, but I think I'm not wake up. I think this is a dream because see, nobody expects that we make this together. And I think maybe just when we receive the trophy, that I'm gonna believe that we win. Yeah, I think it's important for the players and for all the team because we win together, we lose together. It's that when finish the match, we must feel that we give everything. We can lose, we can draw, we can win, but we must feel that we give everything. Because imagine we lose or we draw and we give everything, okay. Opponent team are better or referee makes some mistakes that help the other team, whatever. But we need to feel that we give everything. And I think this is one of the important things that our team make. Because if you see, without ball, our team is strong. Because we give the ball to opponent team, we create zones for after steal the ball, the triggers, and after we make offensive transition. And if we don't have players that have mentality strong, because it's not easy, because it's a football. And if you pass more time without bola than with bola, sometimes there are players that they are not strong mentality. So we have these kind of players. And when we see that we have these kind of players and players with chapat, with speed, we must take this potential because we must see how they can make damage in opponent team. And I think this is very important. The strong mentality, because it's not easy. Because normally on football, everybody wants to have bola. But if you're going to see individual, the game have 90 minutes. Maybe if we have a little Messi, we have like 1 minute 30 per game. So we don't want this kind of player because this kind of player just going to help us 1 minute 30 and the other 89 minutes. Who's going to defending? Who's going to run? You understand me? So we need a team that, players that understand what the team needs. And of course, it's very important, this mentality. We have many clubs difficult. I think Persija. On the first round we are winning 1-0, and after on defensive corner mistake they draw, and after when we lose there away 4-2, I think our team can do much better because we never training with our defensive line so high. And too much mistakes, and opponent team score and we not score. But not just Persija. I think now last match was very difficult. But in my opinion, Semarang deserve because the attitude inside of the field was better than our team. I don't like our team because our attitude was not so good. And I saw that players from Semarang desire more winning than our team. Okay, we can try to understand because we are champion on 6 or 5 days before this. But come on, we are playing a game. We must give more. We have great moments, man. Final Asian AFC Cup, great moment. But if I must decide one, I think last winning against Madura was fantastic. Because Madura beat us on first round and we win Madura 3-1. So I think, and also was the game that decided that we are the champion, I think was fantastic. Okay, I know that next season going to be very tough because opponent teams going to play against us like 200% because everybody wants to beat the champion. And I expect that our attitude going to be at least the same that was on this season. And I hope that our supporters can support us like they support on this season. Cucubima Rosso!